Cordell Davenport here with smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website. There's information about buying and managing small apartments, 5 to 50 units. I also have a free report you can check out that states 20 essential reasons to own apartments. And this little series of small apartment owner tips is going to talk about rehabbing and not to spend too much time or money when you rehab. You should concentrate your remodeling efforts on those that will bring you the greatest ROI. And for example, replacing countertops and fixtures in the kitchen is an excellent return on investment because renters will see the perceived value of having a nice new kitchen. Don't install expensive countertops and fixtures when installing less expensive countertops and fixtures will be a wiser decision. There are certain items such as roofs and driveways that must be maintained and yet add no value to your asset of the apartment building. But try renting an apartment with a leaky roof. Then, of course, there's some issues. So whatever you do, try to figure out what's the ROI that you can get out of it. That's it for now. See you again soon. Take care.